A flooded server room cuts off access to title documents 2 hours before scheduled closings. At that moment, the question is not only how fast IT can restore files. Leaders also need to know how employees will keep approvals moving, how customers will be updated, and which workflows continue while recovery is underway. Only 40% of organizations are confident their backup and recovery solution can protect critical digital assets in a disaster. That is why cloud disaster recovery has to connect directly to business impact. Cloud disaster recovery restores IT systems, applications, and data after ransomware, an outage, hardware failure, human error, or a site-level disruption. But for SMBs, recovery planning must answer practical business questions. Which application brings revenue back first? Who can approve a wire, payroll file, change order, or closing package if the usual system is unavailable? Disaster recovery and business continuity are not the same. Disaster recovery restores systems and data. Business continuity keeps approvals, communication, vendors, customer updates, and revenue workflows moving. The risks SMBs overlook often come from assuming cloud apps or file sync tools are a tested recovery plan. Backups need testing. Recovery owners need to be clear. Critical systems and vendor dependencies need documentation. Users still need devices, credentials, multi-factor authentication, internet access, and permissions. A stronger plan starts with business impact. Read the full article to learn how cloud disaster recovery fits into a stronger continuity plan, and add this to your playlist.